Penguins. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere of the world, mostly in Antarctica, Australia, the Galapagos Isles, New Zealand, and South Africa. Contrary to what you may have heard, there aren't any penguins in the North Pole. Penguins are carnivores, and because of where they live, they rely more on fish and other underwater creatures for food. Over millions of years, their wings evolved so that penguins don't fly. Instead, their wings act like flippers to help them swim faster. They also use their beaks to catch food and often swallow fish whole. Penguins spend half their time on land and half in the water, and they can swim up to 20 miles per hour. Penguins can drink salt water thanks to a gland that helps filter the salt out. It gets pretty cold where penguins live, but they don't freeze because they have a layer of blubber under their skin, in addition to layers of warm feathers. And when it gets really cold, penguins huddle together for warmth. Penguins are social creatures, meaning they love to hang out with other penguins. They pick one mate and stay with it for a very long time, often singing to find one another. Penguins look like they're wearing tuxedos, which is super cute. But it also helps camouflage them from predators like seals, whales, sea lions, and sharks. Penguins are very playful. Sometimes they'll dive into the water for fun, and they love to slide on their bellies through the snow and ice. Penguins are awesome! What's your favorite thing about penguins?